This quick relaxation exercise will describe how to relax even though you are busy. After a short intro, the relaxation takes only 30 seconds. When you are short on time, it can be particularly challenging to make relaxation a regular part of your day. You might recognize the benefits of relaxing, but still can't find the time to sit down and actually practice relaxation techniques. Quick relaxation is the solution. This allows you to set aside brief periods of time so you can relax throughout the day, even though you are busy. Right now, take 30 seconds to relax your body and reduce stress. Stand up or otherwise change positions. Roll your shoulders forward. And now, roll your shoulders back. Clench your hands into fists. Hold and release. Stretch your arms out and stretch your hands wide open, reaching up above your head. Spread your fingers wide. Reach your arms high. Now relax your hands and lower your arms. Lower your shoulders away from your ears. Ease your shoulders back slightly. Let your shoulders relax. Relax your jaw by dropping the lower jaw slightly. Make sure your teeth aren't touching. Now, count silently as you breathe. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3. Exhale. Two, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3. Exhale. Two, 3, 4, 5. Change positions one more time, and then get back to your day.